Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make beer taste sweet, updated. Start by raising mash temps to 154-158 degrees F to produce more dextrins and body, and add crystal or Munich malts for caramel notes. Keep late hop additions low to avoid bitterness, and pick a yeast. In this video, I will explain how to make beer taste sweet, updated. Schedule a longer mash at 154-158 degrees F to create dextrins and mouthfeel, then choose yeast strains that attenuate less to leave sugars behind. Limit oxygen before pitching to slow yeast vigor, and ferment at stable, slightly cooler temps to prevent over-attenuation. Add adjuncts like lactose or late fruit additions to increase sweetness without fermentation loss. In this video, I will review how to make beer taste sweet, updated. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs well with a cozy tasting session after brewing. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and extra deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make beer taste sweet, updated. Try lactose for unfermentable milk sweetness, or fold in fruit purees late in fermentation to preserve sugar and aroma. Consider adding a touch of caramel syrup or toasted malts for depth, and balance that sweetness with a hint of acid or tannin to avoid cloying flavors. Keep additions measured and taste as you go for best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.